Una help me, oh. My father dissolved me just because I had a tattoo of Bobrisky drawing in my back. Oh my God. I don't know how to do myself. I don't know. Even since when I do this tattoo self, Bobrisky didn't show me any love. Didn't even follow me back or anything. And Bobrisky, I didn't draw this pictures because of you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And for my old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it a lot for getting me up to this point. Hey, it's a big plus for me. Thank you so much. So guys, the video of today is a funny one in a way, and it's what people can also learn from. Okay? I mean it because this lady that I want to talk about, I think she don't have sense, and they need to fit some sense in her head through anything. They can use slaps to fit some sense in this lady's head. Like seriously, like few days ago, like this month here, like I said in my former video, this month here, a lot of things have been going on. I've been watching a lot of videos and I've talked about some on this my very channel, and I watched this very one that got me laughing, and at the same time I was angry about the video. This lady tattooed somebody called Bobrisky on her back. She tattooed the Bobrisky and her father disowned her. Whoa, this thing is very funny. Her father disowned her. Tattooing the Bobrisky wasn't my business anyway. For she to come online, well, for her to tattoo the Bobrisky was for her to trend at a point and for Bobrisky to show her love. Okay, but she came online and started crying crocodile tears like she tattooed Bobrisky, her father disowned her, and now Bobrisky didn't even show her love, he didn't even repost her, what and what. This guy is crazy. Like, what is happening in this Nigeria? Anything that just get to Nigeria, we want to, like, the trend will not end. Anything that start trending in Nigeria, and we took it from somewhere else, so, and the trend can never end in Nigeria. What is going on? When are we going to change this our mindset? Number one, this lady, I want to ask her a few questions here. People, drop your comment down in the comment section what you think about this video. Okay, it's allowed. And please, if you are watching, please subscribe. Okay, show me some love. This Bobrisky, okay, let's assume she's your celebrity crush. He is. Okay, let's assume so. He's not your father. He's not even related to you. He's not related to you. Nothing. Oh my God. Like, I don't even know how to say this thing. Just because maybe you like him and what you went and drew him, tattooed him on your back, and at the end of the day, you don't even know you're destroying yourself, because old age will come. These people, first of all, these people that draw tattoo, I'm not against you. They forget that old age will come. Okay, maybe like if this lady drew her mother on her back, I won't have say anything because it won't have trend. You draw your mother on your back, like the woman that pushed you out. If you draw it on your back, it's not a big deal. The least thing I can take is your boyfriend. It's not even good because you don't even know if you end up with that person. It's not good. You don't even know if you. Some people, they will just go and tattoo their boyfriend on their back. At the end of the day, they leave this guy. It's not right. You didn't tattoo your mother. You didn't tattoo your father. Even, okay, let's forget about your mother and father. Let's say you don't love them that much. You didn't even tattoo Jesus Christ that died for your sin. You can't even write, Jesus, I love you on your hand. Nothing. It's Bobrisky that sells bleaching cream. Oh. What is this word turning into? Seriously, what is this word turning into? When are we Nigerians going to take corrections? We are taking these things from the people that taught us, that came to colonize us. We are taking this attitude from them, but they are not behaving like us. They are not doing it the way we are doing it. We are overdoing it. We are, anything that comes to us, anything that we find like we manage to steal from them, we overdo it. Why would your father disown you? Hey, Jesus, cool. Sometimes I think, like, and there's another one that also tattooed, is it Bibi what? Bibi Naija, this Big Brother Naija, ex Big Brother Nigeria girl, and she said she's my fan. She didn't even show me love. And this girl that she tattooed her name on her lap came out on internet, on social media, and said she didn't send her. If you know you are my fan, go to my page, like my page, share my videos, comment there. Then I will know you are my big fan. Not by tattooing my name on your body. Am I your boyfriend? Am I your father or your mother? That you be tattooing my name on your body? She answered like it serves her right, and the lady gave her, she didn't even show me love. She would see the way she was throwing shade at me. In fact, she didn't even do well. If maybe I would just, if I were the girl, I'll tell you I want to see you. I will give you a hot slap. Who sent you? Now she's going, my father disowned me. Your father, oh my God. In fact, that your tattoo, they would have just used knife to scrape it out. If you were to be my father, idiot. Like, I don't even know why all this is like, it's getting too much. Sometimes I just think, are these people smoking something like that get into their head? They will forget that this person they are putting on their skin is not their family member. It's nothing to them. What kind of love is that? I don't understand. Yeah? And now you are crying. The person, even look at the person that went and draw tattoo. Look at her face. Look at her nose. I know we are not to body shame anybody. See the way she is talking. Oh my God. Like, this life, no balance. So for Nigeria, no balance at all at all. No balance at all at all. So I am begging us, with young girls in Africa. I know we are young, we want to enjoy life, we want to do this. I see some girls who will just use tattoo here to here to here. I'm not against it, but overdoing it, doing too much is bad. Think of old age. We will not be young forever. Our skin will never be fresh forever. We are looking at ourselves now like, oh, I'm so pretty, I'm so this. Your skin will not stay like that forever. You should know. Just view yourself now. Say you see your grandmother in the village. View yourself and think now she's this age. And view yourself in her age when you are like her, how you will look like. Just picture yourself. Just picture yourself in her shoes. Your teeth will never be bright like before. Later, your teeth will start falling off. Now you put your hole here, you put earring here. Some people will put earring here. Some people will put earring here. Some people will go down to the nipples of their boots and put earring. Some people will go even to their VJJ and put earring there. And they forget that they will never be like this forever. They will draw tattoo all over. If it were to be their name or something else, I won't even come here to talk about it. Now you went and tattoo someone that have not even finished. Like, even Bobrisky, his own problem. He has not finished, like, sorting himself out. And you want him to sort you out because you tattooed him. Did he send you? Did he send you? I beg, no, we'll not go carry social media, but that kill ourselves. Yeah, I just want to talk about it. For those people that want to learn, let them learn. Tattooing whatsoever will never, like, even if they give you 1 million, it doesn't worth it. Even though they give you 1 million, now you can't even give your blood out. Like, for example, now, okay, you don't draw the tattoo now. Okay, for example, you draw and give you money. It's fine. At the end of the day, maybe you can't born tomorrow. They can't say, okay, something they happen, we need sharp blood. How can you do that? How can you give your son, your daughter, your brother, your sister blood? Any one of them. You are not even thinking of tomorrow. You are not thinking of something else. You just want to train this now. You want this now. You forget about the future. I don't know why people forget things so soon. You forget about the future that there is tomorrow. And you want to enjoy now. Future, uncle. Well, as they say, those who have ear, let them hear. So if you are out there and you are still thinking of, oh, since this guy just draw Bobrisky, now me, I will just go out there and draw a Tasha on my chest. Or I'll go out there and draw this one on my chest. Or I'll go there and draw this one on my nipple. Or I will go there and draw this one on my bump. Please, I'm advising you, do not do it. Think about the future. Think about tomorrow. I'm not preaching to you. I'm telling you what will help you. Most girls in this Europe, you see them use tattoo to spoil their body. They forget how will your body look when old age comes. You are not thinking about that. You don't want to think about that. You will think about it, my sister. You have to. So if you know you are one of, like, in the categories of these girls that are planning to destroy their body in the name of fan, I'm your fan, I want to, like, you are this person's fan and you want to draw that person on yourself, please, I'm begging you, do not do it. Okay, if you're around these people that are thinking this way, take those things that they smoke or inhale in their nose, please take it away from them so that their eye go clear. They should not do it. I've seen some people, they'll pierce their tongue, pierce here, pierce here. What are you guys doing? You're destroying your body. What is happening? Oh my God. So the girl say, now so your father take disown you because say you draw Bobrisky. In fact, if I were your father, I would do worse. Worse. Because in way train you for school, even though you not train you for school, in feed you till you go rich like that, you never tattoo him for your back. Your mother will push you. You know how painful it is to be a woman. Even you know get come up monthly cycle what would they see with they cry like say talk less say come push you come out for your body for her body. You know tattoo your mother for your back. Now Bobrisky, you can't go tattoo. My sister, if I were your father, I would do worse than what he did to you. So if you are watching this video, like I said before, please take note. Do not do whatever you want to do. Change your mindset here. Change it before it destroys you. It destroys. If you have ear, listen to me. Those who have ear, let them hear. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. Please, I want to beg for the last time. Subscribe, don't watch and leave. That place that is written subscribe, if it is red, that means you've not subscribed. Please, just click it and let it turn black now. Let it turn black for me. Then there's a bell by the side. Click it. Okay. Then when you click that bell, the first bell on top that says all, click that one. So anytime I post a new video, anytime, morning, afternoon, night, you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay. And if I share my video to you, because I'm here new on YouTube, if I share my video to you on Facebook, WhatsApp, whatsoever, and you are trying to subscribe, you cannot. Please, I'll put the name of my channel on the screen. Then just go to YouTube, type that name, I'll come out there just from there. Okay, for now I'll call it a day today. So for now I'll say bye bye.